Alright, so I've completed the course, I've watched all the videos. Should I just move on to the next thing now? No, you have to execute and master the things that I taught you, because these are literally the 20% of things that you can do email marketing wise that are going to bring you 80% of the results. So don't just hop on to the next thing thinking that this is not important and too basic for you. That's why I wanted to do this one last video in which we recap and summarize everything that we've learned together into 3 key steps. Step 0, that always happens when I do these lists. If you still haven't done this, make sure that you connect your e-commerce store to Omnisend. And if you've been using a different email service provider before and you have contacts there, make sure you port them over to Omnisend. Step number 1, make sure that you have a sign-up form enabled. It doesn't matter what type of form, whatever's your favorite. My go-to is the pop-up. I like to keep it short and sweet with 10% or $5 off your first purchase, and make it display 6 to 10 seconds after a page load or upon exit intent. Step number 2, set up and enable the 2 must-have automation workflows, the welcome and the abandoned cart. These 2 are the biggest revenue drivers in all of email marketing, and they make up more than 50% of all automation attributed conversions. In the welcome emails, thank your new subscribers for signing up, deliver the discount from your pop-up if you offer one, introduce them to your brand, educate them about your products, and show them why they should buy from you and not from your competitors. And in the abandoned cart emails, give them visual cues by displaying their abandoned products, invite them to complete checkout, and include a discount if you want to give them an extra nudge. And finally, step number 3, start sending email campaigns. Just start. It doesn't have to have the best design ever or the highest converting copywriting in the world. It can be pretty simple, and it doesn't have to be every single day either. You can start with 1 campaign per week. If that's too much for you, you can do 1 every 2 weeks or even 1 per month, whatever is comfortable for you and whatever you can do consistently. And then in the future, you might get a little more free time or a bit more resources, and you can add an extra campaign here, an extra campaign there, and build up your strategy consistently that way. And then finally, don't forget to always look for inspiration. You can subscribe to newsletters of your favorite brands. And there's also countless examples of emails online, so you can learn that way. And that's it. These 3 things are the bread and butter of email marketing. And if you truly master these, if you truly really master these, you're going to perform better than like 98% of email marketers out there. All right, I really hope that you've enjoyed this course and found it helpful. And now it's time for you to go and execute and practice the things that we've learned. And hopefully those extra sales are going to start coming in really, really soon. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure, and I'll see you next time. Good luck.